Hey guys, it's Traumatized. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to yet another video. So today I will be showing you guys how to use or how I use this True Complexion Contour Palette from Black Radiance. I always use this palette in my makeup routines and this is a staple for me. So I figured out why not share this very beginner friendly, affordable contour palette that anyone can use. This contour palette is perfect for women of color, and to our light skin beauties, they also cater to you as well. This palette comes in light to medium shades as well as medium to dark, and this is the palette that we will be using today. As you can see, this is my palette and it is definitely being used. This is the contour shade and this is the sculpt shade, and this is the beautiful highlight shade. I'm so sorry, but my camera is not even picking up how beautiful the highlight shades are on this contour palette. And what I love most about the palette is that it comes with instructions. Now, how beginner friendly is that? Now, even if this is a contour palette, I'm going to show you exactly how I use this palette to get myself together. One thing about me is that I'm very versatile when it comes to my makeup, and I tend to get my money's worth. So therefore, we are starting on the eyes. Yes, you heard me. The eyes. So I'm going into the palette and using the contour shade as an eyeshadow. Yes, we are using this as an eyeshadow. So here's a quick side note. If you're viewing my channel for the very first time, I am blessed with hooded eyes. So every single eyeshadow that I will be using, I do have to go over my natural lid. I do have to go over my natural creases so you can be able to see it when I open up my eyes. To blend out the edges of this shade, I'm going into the sculpt shade just to create a beautiful blend so everything seems seamless on the eyes. And just like that, it's a look. Simple and easy. To complete this, just going with some liner and lashes and we're good. So now we're moving on to the face. After I have done my foundation and highlighted and set my highlight, I will be going in to set the rest of my face with this shade. As you can see, this is definitely my complexion shade. This is the sculpt shade from the palette, and I will be using this to set all the other areas that I did not set with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. Now, I don't know about you, but this eliminates me having to carry an extra complexion product around with me, so this is definitely a plus. And listen, if you are of the same skin shade, you could definitely use this as a powder product as well. So now I'm going in with the contour shade to contour around my forehead, my cheekbones, and also my chin, just to try to eliminate the fact that I have a double chin. Your sis has gained some weight throughout this week. Yeah, I'm getting a little chubby, y'all, getting a little chubby. Moving on. So to clean up my contour, I will be going in with this sculpt shade just to make sure it's a little bit precise. You know, I just prefer it that way. That's just me. Now you can go ahead and use a setting powder for this step, but I choose to use this shade because it works for me as well. Now I'm going in with a small blending brush and using that to contour my nose. I'm taking that shade up into my eyeshadow just to make sure everything is blended together. I'm also going in and finishing up the outer corner of my eye just to make sure the look is coming together very nicely. Last but not least, we are going into the highlight shade and using it in the corner of my lids just to spruce up the eye look a bit more. Loving it. I'm using a little bit of that highlight on my brow bone as well. And as usual, usual on the bridge of my nose, cheekbones, and Cupid's bow. And there we have it, guys. How did I do? Once again, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope this video actually helped someone. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Make sure to leave your thoughts down in the comments section. And also, don't forget to subscribe. And as usual, stay safe and stay blessed. See you in the next one.